Hello from to video number 5 for chapter 11, Star and Galaxies, and your notes still page number 5. So after we go through the forming of star, so now let's see how is the death of the star, 星星讲死掉呢? So when a young star is formed, it's shining brightly with a high temperature, blue color, but the size is small. So this is a young star. But the young star, the gas continue to attract to the center, and the nuclear reaction continue to take place. After millions, billions of years, the star become bigger and bigger. And when the star become bigger and bigger, the nuclear reaction become weaker. Because why? Hydrogen gas become less and less. 它的 hydrogen 越来越少了，是不是？ So the blue color star slowly turn white, turn yellow, turn orange, turn to red color. So after billions of years, 百万亿年过后 the star turn old, 它越来越老了 and the size become bigger, 它的体积越来越大 and now become red giants. And the red giant is drying, 它正在枯萎着，要死了，老了。Okay? Another millions of years, the star become bigger and bigger. 这个星星又再来越变越大 and now become the super size, called supergiant. 超级星星 in Chinese, supergiant. Okay? And when the star become too big or too large, 当它的体积越来越大 this is a time to start the process called the death of the star. 星星要死的过程就来了。So how the supergiant going to die? 它将死掉呢 from a process called supernova. Or what is supernova? 什么叫 supernova? 星星爆炸。Okay, I show you supernova. This is a supernova 1987 A ring captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. 我们的一个很好料的太空望远镜拍回来的照片 supernova 星星爆炸。This is also another supernova 叫星星爆炸 and some students they like to ask why we are so lucky can capture the photo 可以拍到这样的照片星星在爆炸 Actually you misunderstand 你可能误会了啦 When I talk about explode 爆炸 you just think 嘣一声就完了对不对 No So supernova actually they start million years ago 它在百万年前已经开始了 Boom 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 Boom, boom, boom. Until today, 百亿年呢，百万年炸不完。Okay, so you can capture the photo anytime. 你任何时候都可以去拍它照片，它都还没有炸完。So what happened after the supernovas? So some of the material, the masses, 质量物质啊。After the supernova, some of them leaving the star, 它就离开了这粒星星，对不对？ Okay, become the new gas, become the new dust. 变成新的气体，变成新的灰尘。Okay, so after supernova, millions of years of supernova, gases leaving the star, 这些气体啊，这些灰尘啊，离开了这粒星星。But some of the material, some of the masses, they will be compressed inwards. 不过有些物质呢就被压缩进去 and after the compressed inwards for millions of years, after the whole process of supernova, 又 forming a new small object, 它就形成了一粒比较小粒的东西 and this object turning very fast, 这个东西呢转得很快 and the new object after the death of the star here will be called neutron star, 这个新的东西呢就叫 neutron. So where's a neutron come from? It comes from a dead star. 它来自一粒死掉的星星，炸到半条命过后，剩下的一粒转快的东西。And when neutron turn very fast, 当 neutron 转得很快的时候 ，it like to release the electromagnetic wave. 它喜欢放出一些电磁波。 And the electromagnetic wave sometimes they travel through the outer space. 它们经过外太空 entering the Earth. 它甚至可以跑进地球来 and disrupt the radio communication in the Earth. 然后影响我们的无线电的沟通，造成你的电话讲话的时候有噪音。So this is the electromagnetic wave from the neutrons. What is neutron? 什么叫 neutron? 那 It look like this. 它看起来是这样子的，一粒转着的东西 neutron， 一粒转着的东西 neutron。 But sometime after the supernova, if the supergiant is big enough, 如果这粒超级星星够大 it maybe can become another object that we call black hole, 宇宙黑洞。Or what is black hole? This is not a hole, 它不是一个洞。Black hole actually is an object that turns faster, much more faster compared to the neutron. And because it turns faster, finally the gravity will be stronger. 它的地心引力更强。And how strong is the gravity? 多么强呢？ If the light passes through the area surrounding the black hole, 如果光不小心经过这个地方 the light will be attracted. 它的光呢会被吸过去。The light will be attracted. 它的光呢会被吸过去。So no light can escape from the black hole. 没有光可以离开这个地方。So that's why the place looks like 100% black only 啦。So you feel that the black hole is sucking everything. 它在吸着很多东西进去，其实不是，其实连光都被它吸进去，变成一个黑黑的一团东西了。So black hole, not the hole. 宇宙黑洞其实它不是洞。明白吗 ？So black hole， 你看好像它在吃东西，对不对 ？It just feeding everything into the center。它把全部的东西呢，都好像吞进它的肚子里面。But actually not. Black hole is just an object with a very strong gravity， 然后它把东西吸进去，它不是一个洞来的 black hole。Understand? Set up. So what happened after the black hole, or what happened after the death of the star? 星星死掉，然后变成黑洞，黑洞又会造成什么现象呢 ？Don't know. So I show you a video. 我给你看一个 video, and this video going to tell you more about black hole and what happened after the black hole. 黑洞过后又是什么情况呢 ？Okay, but maybe you not understand the video 啦，可能你看得不明白。I try to help you 啦 ，and myself 我自己也可能不明白嘞。So start now 开始了 black hole.
Silk and Reese came up with a completely different idea. They proposed that the center of each early gas cloud could have collapsed to form a giant black hole. The black hole would immediately start feeding on the gas around it, creating a brilliant quasar.
Okay, can I disturb you? 卡教你 otherwise you not understand the video. 我慢慢讲给你听好吗 So during the death of the star, okay, a black hole will be formed, and the gases turning inside. 它们在里面转着。They're feeding everything at the center. 它把全部的东西呢都吸进去，是不是？这个就叫 black hole. Next.
Silk realized that the energy from this newly formed quasar would create intense temperature changes in the surrounding gas. This would cause the gas around the black hole and its newly formed quasar to condense into stars.
What is the meaning? 什么意思呢 Okay, I try to pull back. 我把它拉回去。So when the black hole is formed, the gas turning very fast, the temperature changes very fast, and going to affect the gases surrounding the black hole. 它影响到 black hole 旁边的气体。
This would cause the gas around the black hole and its newly formed quasar to condense into stars.
And what is this? What is this? So when the black hole is turning, all the gases beside the black hole is also turning. 它转一下 bang， 转一下 bang， 转一下 bang 是什么意思呢 ？Yeah, this is the forming of a new star， 就是新的星星形成了，明白吗 ？So 噔 bang， 噔 bang， 噔 bang， 对不对 ？This is the meaning a new star is formed， 也就是你曾经看过的一套戏之前的。那一套戏啦 ，The Forming of Star， but now become very fast in this video。现在它加速了，明白吗
Which means, in effect, that the black hole could have helped to trigger the birth of the galaxy.
OK， 注意他讲的话，最后一句话啊 ，I'm going to repeat 1000 times， 我会重复1000次给你听到这一句话。
could have helped to trigger the birth of the galaxy. Means, in effect, that the black hole could have helped. Which means, in effect, that the black hole could have helped to trigger the birth of the galaxy. Which means, in effect, that the black hole could have helped to trigger the birth of the galaxy. Which means, in effect, that the black hole could have helped to trigger the birth of the galaxy.
You hear it? It means the black hole could trigger the birth of the galaxy. 宇宙黑洞它可以引起银河系的形成。为什么呢？它转着转着，旁边形成星星蹦蹦蹦，星星拉去中间，星星拉去中间，银河系要出场了。Okay? Another meaning, black hole can become the galaxy. Yes, from this video, 他讲的 not me. Okay? So our next title will be Galaxy 啦，下一个 title 也就是银河系。But before I go further, turn to your notes, page number 4 or somewhere around page number 4. 第4面 Yeah, we're having something very important to fill in the blank. 我们有很重要的东西要填，真的很重要。In exam, this is what they ask. 他问这一个 part 了。Okay? The forming and the death of star, 星星形成和怎样死掉呢？ Okay, like star actually come from nebula. So after millions of years, nebula become the young star, but the star is medium size. Okay, Buddha medium size. Our sun will be in this group. 太阳就在这一边 medium size star. Buddha 也不小，中等罢了。And after billions of years, the star going to become older and older. So the medium-sized star, that means our sun going to become red giant. 它会慢慢的老，变成 red giant. And somebody start to worry 了，太阳要死了，什么时候 ？Don't worry 了 ，Don't worry. If our sun can survive for 100 years, 如果太阳能活100岁 ，today he or she will be 7 years old. 如果太阳能活100岁，今天他是7岁，还年轻。Why? Because in our sun, 92% actually is a gas called hydrogen, still not converted into helium. 还没有变成另外一种气体叫 helium. So our sun actually is a young star, 很年轻的星星。100岁的7岁大概罢了。So red giants, and for this type of red giant, they're going to slowly lost their energy, lost their nuclear energy, and they don't having the light anymore, slowly become the white dwarf, 慢慢的变成白矮星。And the white dwarf 最后完全不见能量过后 ，going to become 就变成了几乎完蛋了啦，死掉了。它不会爆炸啦 ，remember, medium-sized star they're not going to explode called supernova. So white dwarf finally going to become a new star, 变成另外一种不是星星了。We call it as black dwarf. Black dwarf.Black dwarf 黑矮星black dwarf is just a stone only 啦，好像宇宙的一粒黑黑的石头罢了，没有用处了的。So this is a death of our sun， 中等的星星就这样死掉 ，no supernova at all， 完全不会有星爆，不会星星爆炸。And some nebula, they are bigger, they forming the last star, 它变成大星星。The last star become red giants, and the red giant becomes super giant, 变成了 super giant. And one day, not one day 啦 so many days, the super giant having supernova 爆炸。And after supernova, they maybe become neutron. Depends on their size, 要看它的体积啦。Neutron star will be formed, neutron 形成了。And for the nebula that is big in size, they will become the super last star, 超级大的星星 become red giants, super giants, and after supernova, it become black hole. 它变成了黑洞 black hole. So different star with different size, the end will be different. 它们的结果都会不一样。只有很大很特别的星星 can become the black hole at the end. Understand? So this is the death of the star. And our new title after this will be Galaxy 了。既然 black hole 会形成银河系，什么叫银河系呢？ See you in the next video. 下一个 video 再见。